Yo, what's up? My name's Debbie Downer. Come over here. This is the traxxas slash the Boss edition. This thing can go 40 miles per hour, and we're gonna jump it on that ramp over there. You see, Riley?
Yeah, go. No. Hurry up, come see, it's my turn.
Alright, here we go. The traxxas slash, dude. Ready? Wait. Keep going with it. Car! Car! What's up, my brother? All right. Hey, we're setting off to the side. Okay. Go. You're... Let me see it. Yo, yeah, you ready? Drift time. All right, here we go. We're gonna do 2 more each. Oh, right here. Right here, last one.
No, what? I'm doing one after. Right here, boss. I'm going after. No, I'm doing it one more time.
This is Debbie Downer. Thanks for watching and subscribe.